Hi, welcome to another video from my roof. I thought I'd come up here and let you know what we're doing this video. It's a little chilly, a little breezy up here, but I am hiking to where, finger right here. We're gonna try to hike to this little group of cliffs right there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to. I've been up there 3 times, and once with a brother and twice alone. Tried to get up there, loosely tried, never quite made it. So we're gonna try again today, and hopefully we make it. They look pretty cool from here. All right, we're here. You can see the mountain behind me. What I forgot to mention is a straight shot from my house. It's 2 miles to that point that I'd like to go to. So, with the zigzagging and bobbing and weaving, it's gonna be probably close to 3 miles, a lot of which is about a 60 to 70 degree climb. It's gonna be fun. Update 1, we are off. You can see the parking lot behind me. I think I'm gonna follow the trail. Just kind of ease into it until we get to the junction up by the cliffs and then cut straight across. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Ground is wet but not muddy. There's ice up ahead. Awesome. Starting off right. Should be fun. Update number 2. We're in the canyon now. Right above me there, I don't know, you can see a little white dot, or a couple. There are 3 Rocky Mountain bighorn. A male, a female, and a littler one. This is nice. Soon we're gonna get right up where they're at. Actually, we're gonna be right where they're at. Anyway, let's get going. Update number 3. If you see behind me, I am now well into the canyon, heading back out of the canyon, but higher up. Once we get up there to the ridge right up there, I'm gonna swing around the front and start zigzagging my way up. Can't really see, but up toward up toward those cliffs up there. And yeah, well, getting a decent view up here, especially the opposite side of the mountain. Their canyon wall, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to camp in that pine forest right there one day. But short update. Let's keep trudging on. I'll see you soon. I just want to do a quick update. I hope there's not a lot of wind noise because I don't have my furry on, but I'm sitting in this like cave thing. It's really not that deep, probably 3-4 feet deep, but I can feel warm air coming up out of here. So there are all kinds of mosses and green things growing in here. It's quite neat. Look at the view though. Got the rays of sun coming down and the rain on the lake. You're looking at Pleasant Grove, Orem, Vineyard, Provo Payson, Lehigh, Santaquin, and Springville down there. Oh, and Elk Ridge. I'm gonna camp up on those cliffs someday. They're a lot bigger than they look. That's Mount Baldy right there. But yeah, neat little cave deal with some jerks trashing it. But I don't know how far down this goes, but it's warm in here. So I imagine if it goes down far enough, there will be rattlesnakes and other critters hibernating in there. Anyway, we gotta go up over the ridge behind me there and head up that way. We're halfway there, distance-wise, time-wise, the steepest part's to come, so we're probably a lot less. See you up there. I'm gonna go sneak up on some Rocky Mountain Bighorn. They're just down the hill there. Let's see if I can do this. Awesome, they're just right over the hill there. I can't see the male, but that's pretty cool. I got probably within 150 to 100 yards of them. Whew, that's what I come out here for. Update number 4. We're up around the front, right down there, right below me are the Rocky Mountain Bighorn. Behind me, you can kind of see some of the cliffs up there. We're still on our way. The roughest part is to come, where we go up along this ridge here, and then over just under those cliffs or above them, depending on what we want to see. Dang though, I'm like 30 yards from those Rocky Mountain Bighorn. It's pretty cool. I've never been that close to them before. In fact, I've very rarely seen them, but they're right there. Awesome. I don't know where Daddy is. That's Mom and Baby. There's a big one with some nice rack, some nice horns. I don't know, somewhere around here. Sneaking up on him without him coming to tell me to go away in a very violent way is rough, so I will go up and see if I can see down, but I don't think I'd sneak up on the Daddy. But mama and baby, they didn't seem to mind. They just sat there and chewed and ate snow. Awesome. Once in a lifetime there. Update. The Rocky Mountain Bighorn are now following me. Heading up. I think I'm going to follow this trail and then cut back and go up there somewhere in the middle to the ridge. I don't know. I'm kind of playing it by ear right now. So far, no rain, no snow, nothing. It's light breeze and it's easy going. Just watching baby goat follow the exact trail I was just on. None of that patch of snow. Crazy. Daddy must be up this way then. I'm gonna keep going, keep my eyes open and be careful. What a view. See you up the top, or somewhere along the way. I'm hiking along the trail and I see this runner down below me. She's probably 20, 30 yards away. She doesn't see me. I'm sitting there eating some snacks. She runs like, I kid you not, 10 feet away from the two Rocky Mountain Bighorn. Just looking down, head on the ground, doesn't even look up, not for a second. She even stopped and walked, looking straight down, and they're 10 feet off to her left. It just blows my mind. You just, I don't know. They're right there. Just maybe she sees them so often that doesn't care, but kind of doubt it. Anyway, sorry if that made you dizzy. Here's the trail I'm going up. Whew. I'm out of shape. Quite the view behind me. Anyway, when you're running through life, look up, look around, enjoy it. You're never going to be at that spot at that time again. So stop and take a look. You'll be surprised at what you see. Anyway, let's not go down there. Update number 6, 5, something like that. Oh, we're at the ridge. Snot all over my mustache. I already cut my finger. We're headed up that way. Maybe we'll stop at those cliffs. We'll see. We got time, but yeah. Whew. Not an easy trail, but we made it. Those Rocky Mountain Bighorn, they cheat with their 4 legs. Cheaters! Anyway, I think we're about, effort-wise, almost halfway. So let's keep on going. Been snacking on the way, plenty of water and all that. Breeze feels glorious. It's about 39, 35 degrees, somewhere in there. It did spritz a little bit of snow, but like now, bits of snow. Anyway, sorry about the wind noise, but we gotta get going. We're burning daylight. Something tells me it's gonna snow. I think it might snow. We're really in it. There's the valley down there. We're right in this cloud storm. We better get moving quick. Wonder how long this is gonna last. Doesn't matter, we're in it. So might as well enjoy it, right? See you in a bit. update. I am literally right at cloud level. There's the cliffs above me that we pointed out. Above that is the cave. I'm following a Rocky Mountain Bighorn trail. The snow, believe it or not, makes it easier because I can dig my feet in so I don't slide. The rocks want to slide. There's snow coming down. Periodically I hear lightning, which is not good, but yeah. I'm going to cross, get over on the other side and make my way up and to the top and backside of that cliff. So I'll see you soon. All right, found the, look at that hair. Oh yeah, chicks dig hat hair, huh? Am I going bald? Sure hope so, I'm sick of having hair. Anyway, got my headlamp on, I found my cave. I'm looking at the screen over there when I should be looking at you. But anyway, there it is. Down she goes. Now after this, I want to go down and I'm gonna explore this a little bit. After this, I want to show you an interesting thing. When I came up here, anyway, you'll see it. Some seismic activity just tore open a part of the cliff and all the stuff fell in. But anyway, random, I found a golf ball. It's my lucky golf ball. We're keeping it. So we're gonna go down in there. Try not to kill myself. Lift my headlamp to see what's in there. Lego. I guess I don't need to stop the camera unless I drop it like a nincompoop, but it's wedgy. Ooh, it's slippy too. We're gonna get in here. Last time I scooched in here, dang it, I'm caught. Last time I came in here, it was, she's wet on the butt. It was, now we in here. Last time I came in here, it was dripping. Why you dripping? The drippy ceiling. Last time I came in here, it was dripping all over the place. Look at that. Oh, that's the spider web. Cool. Oh, it's hard to do this. Anyway, we find some critters in here. Fuzzy from my microphone. Anyway, this is cool. Alright, let's keep it quiet so I don't scare anything. If there is, I don't see any bat droppings. And it goes down there. So, getting drippy drips in my hair. I want this to be my tomb. I'm being careful to look around. Make sure nothing on the ground is dead. I want to look down that ledge. But be careful not to be in the ledge. Or get snagged on something like that guy. Look at that. The water's kind of bored a hole in the rock. But there doesn't look like to be anything down there. It's a dead end. I came up here once and there was, focus, there was air coming out of here. A lot of air. This lamp, such a pain to adjust. Anyway, there was air coming up out of this cave. And yeah, see? So this does go somewhere. There's a breeze coming through that crevasse. The spiders. But I don't see anything. But like I said, we're crazy, half insane sometimes, but not stupid, so I'm not going far. Ooh. We're going up there though. Kind of have to get out. Don't die. Because these are spiders. I like spiders. Where'd you go? Up in there. Where you are, spiders. Oh well, let's okay. Well, guess I don't need the red light. It was dark. Not optimal light for filming, but we're in a cave. That's out. That's death. There's nothing in here that I would like to see. I haven't seen any speeders yet. So let's get out, eat some lunch, get to where we're going. And oh, I like the quiet in here. Let's get out of here. Go find food. I'm walking along looking for my cave, and I come across this. This chasm deal was not here before. This shelf over here went that way, opened this up, filled it full of crap. I know, because this was not here before, and these rocks have no moss on them, so seismic activity. Cool. 1% on a battery. GoPro's done, I think. So I will continue updating on my big camera. Alright, update. Since my GoPro's down, I'm using the big one. I've hiked up what looks like sheep trail, goat trail, deer trail, whatever this is down here. They lied on me. Those sheep lied on me. This is the worst trail ever. And I came through like 19 feet of snow. So I'm a little out of breath, I'm tired now. I'm doing something that I don't recommend doing because of my lack of time, and I'm sorry about that. I'm focusing my chest. I'm running out of time, so I'm pushing off eating, which is a great thing to do if you're running for missing. Oh, look at that. That is something out there. You guys are down there somewhere, I expect. Just the sun coming off of that. Soon I'll be hit by sun, it looks like. Temperature's about 25. Altitude 7,000 feet. Falcon is up here eating another bird. Pretty cool. Watched it catch it, tried to get it on film. But anyway, I'm clambering along this hillside. Grateful that there's snow here. Just didn't like it down there. So we're struggling along. My goal is in sight. I mean, I can see it right there. So I wouldn't recommend skipping a meal to get somewhere, especially hiking. Whoa, I'm not trying to lose weight or anything. I just want to get there. This will be the 4th attempt, and if I fail this attempt, that's a bitter defeat. So I'm hiking up high so I can walk horizontal instead of climb up, because I know this terrain and I don't know that terrain. So anyway, here comes the sun. That's beautiful. If I can get some adjustment going on. That's beautiful. This ray of sunlight just blasting through the valley, hitting the hills. We're about to be in the sun. It's going to be great, except that it'll get warmer and I don't want to sweat because there's a good chance I'm hiking home in the dark. I'm looking for a way to go up. So I want to get past them bushes. So, whoa. Let's not do that. That doesn't look fun. Anyway, I thought while I was walking and talking to myself, I might as well record too. since I have a lot of musically like footage and not a lot of what's going on footage. I want to go down there. Look at that snow though. Oh snap, we just got hit by the sun. There it is. This is what you call almost golden hour right here for photographers. For me, I don't care. I just video and try to make it work. So up we go. Yeah, but I figured since I was talking to myself, I might as well record myself. But my arm's getting tired of holding the camera. I don't have vloggers do this, so love you faces, and I will see you when I get there. Quick update. Man, going through this, don't look like much, but it was really rough. So leaning against this wall here, just to rest a little. Got some bright sun hitting me now. The path ahead is mostly clear, but because it's never been trodden on before, treaded, whatever, because it's really soft ground, it's slippy, fall. Sound weird. So anyway, slow going, but I'm gonna get there. I got about an hour of light, so I'll be going home in the dark. That's okay, I know the way. It's down. It's down slow, not fast. Fast, bad, slow, good. What do they say? Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. An army saying. So we'll go slow and smooth and we'll get home safely, and that's what counts. I've got full cell service, so if anything does happen, I got backup. But yeah, so we will keep rocking. Rock. And we will... Thought I said I was going to do an update there. Let's go. Come on. I hope there's enough light to see. Here. Put it on manual focus, maybe that'll help. Here's the smaller of the two canyons. We are in the dark. I made it. I came, I saw. I'm gonna go touch that right there and head down because I am a while from home, and I don't know if this is in focus or not, but thank you for joining me. Holy cow, this is a tough one. I'm beat, I'm spent, so we'll hike down. Might be too dark to film. I'm gonna do a lot of sliding, following my trail back. It's gonna be rough, so we'll get home. Love you faces. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for liking the video. Comment with any kind of anything you just say something, and I will see you on the next adventure. Whew. Love you faces. I'm out.